Ever pondered about your current diet or health goals? Ever heard of the ketogenic diet? Welcome to the world of the ketogenic or keto diet, a fascinating eating plan that's been gaining popularity over the past few years. This diet is a unique approach to nutrition, flipping the traditional food pyramid on its head. Instead of loading up on carbohydrates, the ketogenic diet encourages you to consume more healthy fats. Imagine a plate filled with avocados, nuts and olive oil, with a side of lean protein and just a smattering of carbohydrates. That's the essence of the ketogenic diet. It's a low-carb, high-fat diet that many people swear by for weight loss, increased energy and improved health. But why is it so popular? The potential benefits are numerous, ranging from weight loss and increased energy levels to improved blood sugar control and heart health. Intrigued? Let's delve into the details of this fascinating eating plan. You might be wondering, how does the ketogenic diet work? Well, let's get into the nitty-gritty of it. To understand the ketogenic diet, we first need to comprehend how our bodies typically get energy. In a conventional diet, our body relies on glucose, a type of sugar, as its primary source of fuel. This glucose comes from the carbohydrates we consume, such as grains, fruits, and sugars. Insulin, a hormone produced in the pancreas, helps our cells to absorb and use this glucose. However, when we switch to a ketogenic diet, we drastically reduce our carbohydrate intake and replace it with fats. This reduction in carbs puts our body into a metabolic state known as ketosis. Now, you might be thinking, what on earth is ketosis? Simply put, ketosis is a state where, due to the absence of glucose, our body begins to break down stored and dietary fat into molecules called ketones. And these ketones act as an alternative fuel source for our body. It's like changing the fuel for a car. Imagine your body is a hybrid car that normally runs on petrol, which is like glucose. But when petrol runs low, the car can switch to electric power, akin to ketones. That's what happens in a ketogenic diet. Your body, adaptable as it is, switches its fuel station from glucose to ketones. But why does this matter? Well, when your body becomes efficient at burning fat for energy, it aids in weight loss. Not only that, but it also leads to reduced insulin levels, which can have numerous other health benefits, such as helping manage or even reverse certain diseases. So the ketogenic diet is more than just a fad. It's a scientifically backed approach that shifts your body's metabolic engine from burning glucose to burning fat. It's a shift that requires commitment and discipline, but for many people, the benefits outweigh the challenges. And there you have it, the science behind the ketogenic diet simplified. So it's not magic, but a shift in your body's fuel station from glucose to ketones. Now, how do you start a ketogenic diet? Well, let's break it down into manageable steps. First and foremost, we need to cut back on carbohydrates. This doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite foods. Instead, you need to be smart about your choices. Opt for low-carb vegetables like spinach and broccoli, and try to avoid starchy foods like potatoes and rice. Remember, the aim is to reduce your daily carb intake to no more than 20 to 50 grams. Next, we must increase our fat intake. Now, this may sound counterintuitive, especially if you've been told all your life that fat is bad for you, but on a ketogenic diet, fat is your friend. It's going to be your main source of energy, so you need to ensure you're getting enough. Avocados, eggs, and fatty fish like salmon are all excellent choices. And don't forget about healthy oils like olive oil and coconut oil. Then we need to moderate our protein consumption. While protein is important for maintaining muscle mass, too much can actually hinder your progress on a ketogenic diet. Aim for a moderate amount, which is typically around 15 to 20% of your daily calorie intake. Now let's talk about hydration and electrolyte balance. When you start a ketogenic diet, your body will begin to lose water and electrolytes at a faster rate. This can lead to symptoms of the keto flu, like fatigue and headaches. To combat this, make sure you're drinking plenty of water and getting enough electrolytes, especially sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Lastly, it's important to remember that the ketogenic diet isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle change, and it's going to take time for your body to adapt. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Stick with it and trust the process. Remember, it's not about starving yourself, but about changing the source of your energy. So, arm yourself with knowledge, plan your meals, and start your journey towards a healthier, more energetic you. So, what are the key takeaways about the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet is a unique way of eating that flips the script on the traditional food pyramid. It's a diet that's low in carbohydrates and high in fats. Now, before you recoil at the thought of a high-fat diet, it's important to understand the science behind it. When we significantly reduce our intake of carbs and replace them with fats, our bodies enter a metabolic state called ketosis. In this state, our energy source shifts from glucose, derived from carbs, to ketones, compounds that the liver produces from fat. This shift can lead to various health benefits like weight loss, improved brain function, and increased energy. But this doesn't mean you can start gorging on bacon and cheese. The ketogenic diet requires careful planning and monitoring. It's not just about cutting carbs, but about consuming the right types of fats. We're talking lean meats, fish, avocados, nuts and seeds. And let's not forget the importance of a balanced diet, so do include a variety of nutrient-rich, non-starchy vegetables. Remember, the ketogenic diet isn't for everyone. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian before making any major changes to your diet. The ketogenic diet is not just a diet, it's a different way of fueling your body. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet is a fascinating approach to eating. We've explored its scientific foundations, walked through it step by step, and highlighted key points to remember. It's a lifestyle change that could provide significant health benefits. However, before diving headfirst into this high-fat, low-carb world, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. This ensures your journey is tailored to your unique health needs. And there you have it. A brief but comprehensive guide to the ketogenic diet. Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, stay healthy.